All right, what's the time for now?
It's time for better food.
Why not? Let's do it.
So maybe you're trying to come up with like a super quick dessert.
Yep.
Yep.
Well, Chef Plum is here now with a solution to that problem. Chef, is it easy? Because I don't really do desserts, but if you got an easy one, maybe I can do it.
Scott, I'm telling you, after all the years I've been doing this show with you, I think your culinary skills far surpass that of the average human being.
Oh, well, thank you. I appreciate that very much.
I think that's a big compliment.
I made quinoa yesterday.
Hey, there you go. Fantastic. Listen, I feel bad. I feel like every time I come on here, I talk about this is super easy. This is quick and easy. And
all right.
You know, I've gotten feedbacks from people. I made that one pan dish the other week. Do you remember that? I got so many emails about that. People loved it. Good. So I guess we'll stick with easy.
Okay.
Absolutely.
But today's a dessert.
Okay. Oh my gosh. So listen, I'm not a big dessert person, and I went to school for culinary arts, not for baking and pastry. They are very different things, two very, very different things. But I do my best to make desserts as quick and easy as possible. What if I told you that I could make this? Can you guys see that? This delicious cheesecake in a microwave in 5 minutes.
Oh my God, it looks delicious.
Wow.
I mean,
5 minutes.
That's easy, right? Come on.
That's really easy.
Irene, that's easy, right?
Super easy. Not for me.
Okay, and now even funnier, I didn't have a microwave my entire life until this Christmas when my in-laws bought it for my kids because they felt like they were deprived of having a microwave in their life.
Oh my goodness.
Hysterical. That's really funny. That's awesome.
I know, right? Okay, let's get going on this. So check this out. What I got here is a little ramekin. We'll switch to we can go to the overhead cam, my fancy overhead cam here. And I've got a little a little crushed graham crackers, right? I'm gonna put that in my bowl there. And then I've got some melted butter, about a tablespoon or so of melted butter. I'm just gonna put that right in here, just like you'd make a regular pie crust, a little graham crackers, a little melted butter right in there. And you can take whole graham crackers, usually about 2 of them, and just crush them up with your hands if you want to.
Okay.
So I'm taking a fork and just mixing this up. So we're making the crust right here, Scott. This is literally the most culinary technique in here. This is not hard. I think you could do it. Irene, I think you could do it. What do you think?
I don't know, but I'll try.
So far, I'm good. 2 graham cracker cookies and some butter, and you mix it all up.
Yeah, I mean, it's like
That's it.
It's a mini cheesecake.
That's it. One of these days, Scott, I'm going to send you the recipe, and I want you to make a video and send it to me. Would you do that?
I would do that.
Oh, okay. All right, good. All right, there we go. So then I'm taking it, just patting it down at the bottom of the container there, just so you can see it looks like the crumbs are all wet.
Okay.
Just like that. We're going to put that here. Now, I've got a tablespoon of sugar. We're going to put that right into our bowl. I've got 3 drops of vanilla extract. Now, I urge you, don't use the imitation vanilla, okay?
Oh, yeah.
You want to use the real vanilla extract. Do you guys know where imitation vanilla comes from?
Imitation vanilla bean plants?
The anal glands of a skunk. Of a beaver.
Seriously?
Are you being serious? Oh my
I am 100% serious. And I was letting that sit for a minute because I know it's a weird thing to hear, but it's the truth. Now, we take our sugar, we take our cream cheese, we're just going to mix that up, right? You want to mix it till there's no lumps. I like to use a spatula, a rubber spatula like this, because it really kind of mushes everything down nicely and gets the sugar incorporated into it. And, it's those fun facts, Scott, I've been trying to bring for years to you. Those fun facts that in case you're playing Jeopardy, in case you're having a trivia night or something like that, you have that now in your brain. You can thank me when you win.
I will thank Chef Plum.
He'll call you up.
So what is that? That's cream cheese and sugar you're mixing there?
That looks beautiful.
Cream cheese, sugar, and a little vanilla extract. That's
Okay.
it. And you can see as I kind of move it around, it gets a little bit more easy to move, a little bit easier to manipulate. Now, what we're going to do is take our container here with our crust that we made, and I'm just going to spoon in this cream cheese mixture right on top, right?
That looks delicious.
Here we go. Right on top. Now, what we do, I do this too. I take this and I just tap it to kind of spread it out into the entire container.
Yep.
And then what you're going to do is take your spatula, just kind of even it up a little bit. That's the chef in me. You don't have to do this part of it, but that's what I like to do.
Make it nice.
Even
it looks
up.
nice.
Yeah, make it nice. Make it look pretty. Now, the cooking process, okay? There's my microwave. Can you guys see that there?
Yep.
We're going to take this. We're going to put this in here, and you're going to cook this for 4 minutes, 45-second intervals, okay? Make sure it doesn't bubble over. If it starts to bubble over, turn it off. If you can do like a half power in your microwave, even better. So we're going to take this microwave. I'm going to turn the power level down, and I'm going to go 45 seconds. Now, like I said, 4 minute total. So it's like 6 times of 45 seconds. Okay. Once it's done, take it out and put it in the freezer, okay?
Take it out and
when it's in the freezer, right in the freezer, right?
Yep.
It comes out like this. It's freezer, it's cold. This is nice and firm. here's the plating process. All right. It's a little bit tricky because sometimes I can mess this up because I kind of have hands like an ogre. I'm not very delicate. So I take my knife and I'm just going to take it around the edges.
Oh, wow.
Straight around the edges like this.
Isn't that
right?
beautiful?
Just working it from the sides. Working it from the sides. There we go. And then we're going to put it right on the plate. I'm just kind of working underneath it a little bit. Now, if you do this and the crust doesn't come off perfectly, it's okay because you can flip it and make it look pretty still.
Okay.
There we go. Take this.
That looks like
And we're
the
just gonna
hardest
pop it
part of
right.
the whole thing.
Yeah, that looks like it does look like the hardest part of the whole thing.
Right on our plate. There we go. And then what I'm going to do, the hardest part here is when you want to flip it back over so it looks like a cheesecake. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
There we go. We'll throw a few strawberries on there.
It's perfect.
How about that?
Absolutely perfect.
Look at that. That looks
Microwave
delicious.
cheesecake.
It's perfect.
Not bad.
So quick.
Not
Listen,
bad at all.
It's easy, man. Super easy. You guys should definitely try this recipe at
Yeah.
home. It's incredibly simple. And if you're interested in more stuff, not like cheesecakes, this Thursday on WNPR on Seasoned, we're talking all about onions and showing you all the fun
Ooh.
things you can do with onions. Not cheesecake, but other fun things.
You know, the red onion used to be the form of currency in old Weathersfield.
Oh, there you go. Another fun fact.
Do you know why? I recently learned this because Westport and down in southern Fairfield County, it was all onion growing country and the onions were used as currency.
Absolutely.
Yes,
We're both on
there
the
you
same
go.
page.
You and me, Scott, we're going to do this together.
Thank you, Chef Plum.
Thank you.
You guys rock. Take care. I'll see you soon.